about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. So I have salmon and rice for lunch. I made this yesterday. I just got home, I worked out at work, and now I'm gonna take a shower and make some soup. Maybe like a tofu soup. I'll see what kind of vegetables I have. Okay, so these are my ingredients. I'm gonna have some tomatoes, some tofu. It's extra firm, and I really do like the silken one, like the silken tofu for my soups, but this is what I got. And then I'm gonna do mixed vegetables, some spinach, and some onion. And then obviously some olive oil. And I think that's it. Maybe I might put a potato to make it a little bit hearty. And then one potato to make it hearty. So the first thing that needs to go in is the potato. And then after these guys, this is last. This for like the flavor. So after all the flavor, put that in so it boils with it. And then, okay, so let's get cooking. Yeah, I think I might be getting sick. I don't know you have everything out there. How you make me out, slow me down, babe.
I watched it back and I like something. The volume of the fucking bass line or whatever, right? But I have a new version of the project I was working on saved.
It slows you down.
Like a computer usage standpoint stuff.
And you want to go to Korea. Okay, so I'm deciding whether or not I want to put some glass noodles in here. I have everything cut and ready to go. I have the vegetables, the spinach, and the mixed vegetables ready to put in there. Right now I'm just waiting for the potatoes to get a little bit soft. They go in first. Yeah, before I season anything, I feel. We can season things a little after when we have everything in the pot. I'll keep it in there like maybe 2 minutes longer and then start putting the vegetables in. Let's taste it.
So I really hope that in 2025 I can find more balance and in all aspects of my life, especially when I really honed in on work this year, which I'm really proud of myself. But I also feel like I worked really hard this year because
That's good. And then now we're gonna put. So now that I've seasoned the broth, I'm gonna put the noodles in there, just so that they. I think only one pack is good. I don't really like too many noodles, or do I want 1.5? Let's do 1.5. I made a lot of soup, and I always do this. My eyes are bigger than my stomach always, so I'm gonna try to rip this bad boy in half. Okay, so now let's taste check. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the tofu, because again, it's extra firm and usually I like the silken one. Let's first bite. It's so good. Okay, let's try the noodles. Okay, the noodles. Apparently it's spicy. A little bit. I was feeling a little sick, so this honestly is hitting the spot. The potato. Oh, the way that potato just melted in my mouth. Oh my gosh. This is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. Clearly, Okay, it's so good. I'm gonna go burn my mouth for like 30 minutes. Bye. Make sure you make this soup because, oof.